Welcome to CTF Security and welcome to another YouTube video on battling adware that redirect your web browser. So some time ago, I stumbled upon this particular article which says battling adware that redirect your browser on the 9times.com website. And it further said, if your browser is suddenly full of pop-up ads or taking you to sites you didn't request, you probably have a malware infection. Okay, so I wanted to discuss about the other side of this particular statement. Something I want you to understand is sometimes most of this website that does this ads pop up and website redirecting is actually free website which actually add this redirection because of advertisements in order to make money for the site. And a typical example of this website is the netnaija.com. So I'm just going to be using this as a case study. Okay, great. So netnaija.com, you can see it right here. And from the top bar here, you can see ads. You can see another ads right here. And if you scroll down, you can see another ad right here going to a site called Bed King. And even when you try to navigate from this site, okay, I'll just scroll down. Let's say you go to videos and you go to movies, and let's say we accessed uh, Blade of the 47 running. Okay, so let's scroll down. All right. So you can see that we have a redirection, and this redirection was terminated because of my invalid clock time. So I'm just going to close this. What we care about is the redirection in the site, and I'll navigate back to the home page. Okay, great. So now we know that this site has some ad pop-up and also domain redirection. So how do we curtail this? How do we stop this as a user? So one advice you might have gotten previously was to turn on ad blocking or install application that block ads. Now, the disadvantage of these applications is that most of them are being configured to stop every single pop-up and ad on your website, which can destabilize some operation on your system, sometimes especially when you are visiting a site that need the ad pop-up to be enabled. So what I'm going to do is to teach you how you can disable this manually from any site of your choice. So the first thing we're going to do is right click on any part of the screen and click on inspect. Now this will open the Chrome developer tool, and by default the elements menu will be selected. All we have to do is to navigate to the sources, and from these sources we're going to get all the domain that is associated with this website, including the ads redirection domain. So you can see it from this point. We have the ads.duchess.com, we have the font Google api.com, we have font gstatic.com. Now, not every domain on this source section is actually a ad, so you have to verify to make sure they are ads before you actually disable any of them. So for just proof of concept, I'm just going to be picking one, which is this clever webserver.com. So let's do a little recon on cleverwebserver.com, and we get that we are an online advertising company expert in leading monetization model with cutting edge online media campaign, blah 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 blah. So we know that this is actually an advertising domain, so we need to disable that. So what I've done is I've actually created the list of all the ads domain on this particular website, the netnaija.net. So depending on the particular website you want to disable ad on, that will determine what domain you are going to be disabling. And how do we disable this? So we're just going to gather the list of all the ads domain and put all of them inside the window host file and redirect them to our local host in order to stop them from loading anytime we access this website. So how do we get the host file? So we can do a little Google search on that for the location, Windows, host file, location, let's call it location, and we get a location for our host file. So I'm just going to copy this and I'll navigate to my file manager and sorry about that. So I'll just click on notepad and OK. So all I needed to do is to paste it right here, copy the list of all the domain I've drafted out from the netnaija.net. I'll paste it right here and save. So now when we reload the page, let's go back, close this and reload. So you can see that all the ads are gone. You can see the Bed King pop-up ad and everything, they are all gone. So if you go to menu, video, movies, so this open up your movies page without actually redirecting. You can disable ad independently depending on the particular website. You can customize it to your need. Disable ads according to your own preferences. So guys, that'll be all for now. Please make sure you like, subscribe and click on the notification icon. See you next time.